It's time for December's sneak peek of the Ice Castle theme. See what's in the box, how we're going to use it, and get inspired for a busy month of learning ahead. Let's take a look at the preschool, toddler, and baby kits. In this icy adventure, your children will pretend to sled with penguins, run with snow leopards, and build an igloo. They will help rescue a baby polar bear from an iceberg and imagine sliding down a mountain, experiment with melting ice, and explore the Arctic in this sparkling, snowy theme. Here you can see the theme web for the month, including the 4 weekly themes and 20 daily topics. Our themes provide a well-rounded and inclusive study around each topic. Display this poster for the children and their families to reference. Through playful learning and games, the following basic concepts will be introduced. The character trait honest, the color white and square shape, letters I, T, P, numbers 7 and 8, add, word family, sight words you, come, in, and the AAB pattern. 4 preschool teacher guides organize your lessons for each week. Take a look at our beautiful teacher guides. They are printed in full color and packed with information and pictures to guide you through each lesson. Every day, participate in Circle Time, a community challenge, creative art experience, math, literacy, story time, and music and movement activities. Your preschool box includes 2 original storybooks, Penry's Great Adventure and the Forest Friends book, A Snowy Day for Owl. We also provide a suggested book list so you can gather additional theme-related storybooks to enjoy all month long. All the materials you need for circle time and classroom displays will be included in your box. The theme poster features an Arctic winter scene. Each day, enjoy music and movement activities. This month's album contains classically inspired children's music and is available on the included CD or on your favorite streaming platform. Take a look at just a few of the art, math, literacy, social, emotional, and sensory activities planned for this month. There are lots more in the box. Set up these fun STEAM stations for hands-on learning. Look for 20 new STEAM stations each month. There is something magical about snowflakes, snowmen, icicles, and jingle bells. Invite your toddlers to explore ice castles this December. Let's take a look at Experienced Toddlers Ice Castles. Basic concepts for toddlers this month include letters I, T, and P, number 4, the penguin yoga pose, colors black and white, the square shape, the character trait honest, and 8 sign language words. Here is an example of a group time display board for toddlers. This month's finger play poster features 5 little kittens. There are 4 toddler teacher guides, one for each week. These 4 storybooks are included. Follow the Path, Penguins Walk is a photo-based book that introduces concepts of print and new vocabulary to your toddlers. The Forest Friend story, A Snowy Day for Owl, teaches toddlers the importance of honesty. In Penry's Great Adventure, he wants to take an adventure, but what should he bring? Maybe his friends will know. Enjoy the classic rhyme, 5 Little Kittens, and get ready for a week filled with counting, games, and art. Toddlers will love moving and singing to the Ice Castle album and listening to audio stories. Toddlers will create daily art projects. This month's manipulatives include black and white foam square shapes and connecting shape links. Here are just a few of the activities and resources provided in the 4 weekly bags for the Ice Castle Toddler theme. Daily activities are winter themed for babies too, adding interest, new sounds, and experiences to their daily routines. The Experience Baby infant curriculum supports relationship based play and discovery all month long. Enjoy learning with Experience Curriculum's Ice Castle theme. Don't have your curriculum yet? It's not too late. Order now at experiencecurriculum.com.